Welcome to Sora in 60 Seconds, Part 7, Searching for Books. You can search for a book by title or author using the search bar at the top of the Explore page. Make sure you click Search All My Libraries to maximize your results. For example, if I search for books by the author Jory John, I can see that I have books in all 3 of my libraries. You can look at the wait time or availability to find the option that is best for you. Click More Options for a more advanced search. There are a few neat things you can do here that you can't do with preferences. First, you can use ATOS, Lexile, or text difficulty to search for a certain reading level. They are similar, so just choose the one that makes the most sense to you. Next, you can choose the interest level that you want. You can also click on subjects to narrow down an interest. Use all these tools together to find the just right book every time.